Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of First Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12b, chapter proportions. 9 question number 9 is written here. 8 taps of the same size fill a tank in 27 minutes. If 2 taps go out of order means खराब हो जाना, ये काम नहीं कर रहा. How long would the remaining taps take to fill the tank? So here remaining taps 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So write in first column number of taps. Number of taps. And second column time. Time in minute. Number of taps 8. Taken time 27 minutes. Number of taps 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 2 remaining 6. So taken time let x minute. By inverse variation. Number of tape decrease, then time increase. Number of tape increase, then time decrease. So it is in inverse variation. So by inverse variation, 6 into x in inverse variation, we know that in inverse variation the product of two quantities are constant. So 6 into x equal to 8 into 27. Now x equal to 8 into 27 by 6. So 4 to the 8 and 3 to the 6. 3 9 ja 27 equal to 9 4 ja 36 minute. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 11. It is very important question. In this question, a garrison of 900 men had provisions for 42 days. However, a reinforcement 500 men arrived. For how many days will the food last now? Garrison means group of army. 900 group of army. For provision means food for 42 days. However, a reinforcement, that means extra army, for help of garrison, 500 men arrived. For how many days will the food last? In first row write number of men. And first of all clear here, 900 men plus extra army 500, total army 1400 men. Write in first column number of men. Write in second column number of days for food last. Number of days. So number of men 900 men. For food provisions 42 days. Now 1400 men. 1400 men for food plus let the X days by inverse variation. 1400 into X equal to 900 into 42. That implies X equal to 900 into 42 divided by 1400. 10210 second 0 to second 0. 14 3 जा 42. 9 3 जा 27 days. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 12. In a hostel, 75 students had food provisions for 24 days. 75 students had food provisions for 24 days. If 15 students leave the hostel, for how many days would the food provision last? So total students 75 and 15 students leave the hostel. So remaining students 60 students. 60 students. Write in first column number of students. Number of students and number of days. First of all, 75 students for provisions 24 days. Now, number of students 60 for provisions let X days. It is in inverse variation. Students increase, days decrease. Students decrease, days increase. So, by inverse variation. By inverse variation, 60 into X equal to 75 into 24. That implies X equal to 75 into 24 divided by 60. 15 4 जा 60 and 15 5 जा 75. Now 4 6 जा 24 equal to 5 6 जा 30 days. 30 days answer. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 5 written on this board. In question number 5, X and Y vary inversely. X and y are in inverse variation. So find the value of x and y. Here, if x and y vary inversely and x equal to 18 when y equal to 8, find x when y equal to 16. Students write first column x and second column y. In x equal to 18 when y equal to 8. Now find x when y equal to 16 by inverse variation. We know that in inverse variation the product of quantities are constant. So x into 16 equal to 18 into 8. That implies x equal to 18 into 8 by 16. 8 to the 16 and 9 to the 18 equal to 9 answer. Understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12B. Thank you. That's all.